Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview, along with additional resources, can be found in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the Binance Chain Wallet. The Binance Chain Wallet, created by the world-renowned exchange Binance, provides a secure and efficient way to manage your crypto assets. Designed for users interacting with the Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain (BSC), it seamlessly integrates with the broader Binance ecosystem and its decentralized applications (dApps). A significant advantage of this wallet is its non-custodial nature. This means you retain complete control of your private keys, ensuring true ownership of your digital assets. Unlike custodial wallets, where a third party holds your keys, Binance Chain Wallet puts you in the driver's seat. Beyond its native support for Binance Chain and BSC, this wallet boasts impressive multi-chain capabilities. It allows you to manage a diverse portfolio across various networks, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and more. This cross-chain compatibility is a major benefit for users invested in multiple cryptocurrencies. Directly integrated with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, the Binance Chain Wallet facilitates seamless trading and dApp interaction. You can trade and engage with BSC-based dApps without relying on external intermediaries, streamlining your crypto experience. Security is paramount, and the Binance Chain Wallet employs industry-standard encryption to safeguard your private keys and transaction data. Robust security features like a recovery phrase and secure backup options are included to help you regain access to your wallet in case of device loss or compromise. For enhanced security, hardware wallet integration is also supported, enabling offline storage of your private keys. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or just starting your journey, the Binance Chain Wallet offers a user-friendly interface designed for everyone. Sending, receiving, and managing your crypto assets is a breeze. From staking tokens and trading on decentralized platforms to exploring the latest dApps, this wallet provides a secure and streamlined gateway to the Binance ecosystem and the wider crypto world. In conclusion, the Binance Chain Wallet presents a compelling package of security, multi-chain support, and seamless dApp integration. It's a strong contender for anyone looking to manage their crypto holdings on Binance Chain and beyond. For more information and direct links, be sure to check out the description below.